If I might add, introduction for the next member of the jury. He's an Israeli Indian musician. He's been a producer, engineer, and project manager for many international projects. Born in the Sinai Desert, he used music, dance, and film as a platform to bridge cultures as a nomad musician for more than 30 years. Please welcome Yotam Agam, the co-owner and producer of the Chennai-based Earthsync Synthesis.
Thank you, everybody. Pleasure to be here.
May I add, your Bali is really, really hot.
I've been working in India in the indie scene, I would call, for 10 years now. And it's really, really amazing to see how it blooms. And I think now it's a really, really great time.
We've all grown up watching, and his prowess with music has only grown. He's an actor, he's a producer, he's a musician, and a VJ we all loved. Luke Kenny, who is about to make a trilogy of zombies and boasts to have the first ever background score scored by independent musicians. Luke Kenny, so happy to have you here this morning.
इतना सब कुछ तो उन्होंने ऑलरेडी बोल दिया, अब मैं क्या बोलूँ. जो शब्द है वो हमारे देश से इतनी करीबी से जुड़ा हुआ है, and it is reminded to us every day in every way. We have the words freedom, we have the words independence, independent, and of course there's the word liberty somewhere here as well also, all meaning the same thing. Something just struck me when we were talking about independent music and independent artists, and when you mentioned about when aliens come to Earth, they're gonna find a new national anthem. It struck me that the national anthem is probably the first independent piece of music that was ever created. By Mr. Rabindranath Tagore, who was not even a musician, but he wrote the song, and that's the song that we all sing whenever we go and see a film.
अनसुने से नगमे की तरह बरखा में मौसीकी की तरह सब है यहाँ
But the members of media, अगर आपकी कोई सवाल हैं हमारे jury members के लिए?
Freedom, concerning with music and awards. So could you just elaborate on that aspect?
Independent music. I hope all of you know what independent music stands for.
Yes.
Independent music is basically music which is not bound by any set standards, and it's not dependent on anyone.
Something more to that. Independent music में लूला लंगड़ा अंधा बहरा कोई नहीं है.
And of course doing live shows, but that's slowly developing. It's mostly online platforms.
They're very nice.
Well, actually part of the lyrics were written by me, and part of it has been written by my friend Shaleen Sharma, who used to be a member of Aghosh. If you remember, there used to be a band called Aghosh many years back.
Trophies like any other award show. It's the recognition basically. See, when they win, it's not just the trophy that they take.
जो गीत और गीतकार की बारे में बात करते हैं वो आप ट्रेडिशनल हिंदी फिल्म म्यूजिक के तौर से आप पूछ रहे हैं. यहाँ पर गीतकार खुद गीत लिखते हैं, खुद लिरिक्स लिखते हैं, खुद संगीत लिखते हैं, और ये उनकी पूरी कंप्लीटली इंडिपेंडेंट प्रोडक्ट है, इंडिपेंडेंट क्रिएटिविटी है. इसलिए ये प्लेटफॉर्म, ये मंच और ये इनिशिएटिव क्रिएट किया गया है. तो यहाँ पर गीत और गीतकार का कोई डिस्टिंक्शन नहीं होगा. गीत ही गीतकार है और गीतकार ही गीत लिखते हैं.